I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, answering the question of whether iSea sunglasses are UV protective. So I wondered this. I actually picked one of these up from iSea. You can see their Shipwrecks is the model here. And this is a local California company. I got these on a trip down in San Diego. And typically with sunglasses, if they are UV protective, it'll say that somewhere on the glasses. So I love them. They work great, but I was just thinking, is this really protective or not? So I took a look and did a bit of research, and it turns out that yes, these are 100% UV protective. iSea sunglasses do protect your eyes from UV, which is great, and they are also polarized, so that cuts down on the amount of glare that you're going to get. And it does say that on the frames. It doesn't say anything about the UV protection, which is, again, a little out of the ordinary, but I did do some research and looked at some of the details from iSea. And yeah, they're a California company, and all of their sunglasses do have that full 100% UV protection. So rest assured there.